You've probably felt it, the 9-to-5 grind, sitting at your desk, counting down the hours, wondering, there has to be a better way. What if your money could work for you while you sleep? That's what passive income is all about. And today, I'm going to show you 3 passive income streams that could replace your full-time job if you do it right. Let's dive in. First, dividend stocks. This is one of the most classic ways to earn passive income. You invest in strong, reliable companies that pay dividends, basically a portion of their profits, every quarter. Imagine owning a piece of Apple, Microsoft, or Coca-Cola, and every 3 months you get a check without lifting a finger. It takes some research up front. You need to find companies with a solid track record, low debt, and consistent growth. But over time, these dividends can add up. If you reinvest them, the power of compound growth can turn a small investment today into a meaningful income stream tomorrow. Second, rental real estate. Owning property can seem intimidating at first, but it's one of the most reliable ways to create long-term passive income. Buy a property, rent it out, and the tenants essentially pay your mortgage for you. Of course, there's management involved, finding tenants, maintenance, taxes, but you can also hire a property manager to make it almost fully hands-off. Over time, the property value increases, and your monthly rental income can cover all your living expenses, sometimes more. Plus, real estate gives you leverage. You can control a valuable asset with relatively small amount of your own money. Third, digital products and online courses. This is where your skills, knowledge, or hobbies can literally make money while you sleep. Create an online course, an ebook, or a downloadable tool, and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, or Teachable. The hardest part is the first step, creating something valuable. Once it's done, though, it can generate sales 24/7 without you needing to actively work every day. People spend money to solve problems. If you provide the solution once, it can pay you for years. Here's the key. No single income stream is a magic bullet. The real power comes from combining these streams. Dividend income, rental cash flow, and digital products together can create a system where your money works for you. And one day, your full-time job? Optional. Start small. Pick one stream, focus on building it, and reinvest your profits. Over time, they compound, grow, and eventually replace or even surpass your paycheck. Remember, passive income isn't about being lazy. It's about working smart, putting in the effort once and letting your assets do the heavy lifting for you. So, which of these 3 passive income streams excites you the most? Comment below. I read every single one. If you want more videos on building wealth and escaping the 9-to-5, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Your financial freedom starts today.